Welcome to a video that's starting a new series. I'm going to dive into a series of videos on machine learning using Jupyter Notebooks and Python. So the environment I'm going to use is Anaconda Navigator. You can download it from the Anaconda Navigator website. But this is basically what it looks like. It is free. And I'm going to be using Jupyter Notebooks, which is this one right here in the middle, Jupyter, to actually run my machine learning programs in Python. So let's go ahead and launch the Jupyter Notebook out of Anaconda. All right, so this is the basic screen that pops up first in my version of Anaconda Navigator. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click New, and then I'm going to go over here and select Notebook from the dropdown. And I'm just going to go with the default kernel. All right, so this is what pops up initially. And what I can do is I can type a line of code into this little box, and then I can run that code, and then we'll get some output if that code produces output, and then we'll have another box to enter more lines of code. So for example, I could type in import pandas as PD. All right, so in Python, a comment is pound is used for comment. So pound is used for comments. And our import statement gives us access to the pandas API while abbreviating it as PD. All right. So that's what that import is doing. And then when I'm done filling in all the code that I want to put in this box, I hit Shift Enter, Shift Enter to end the box. If I just hit Enter, it'll just give me a new line. And there it gives new line. Right. And so that's how I got a new box. Now, if I had some code that produced output in here, we would have seen that output. So for example, I could also go in this box and I could click run the selected cell, and that would also run the cell and take me to the next cell. Or I could, lots of options on different running all the cells or running cells above and below and so forth. There's also, I could use this little button to do it. Okay, so that's a brief look at how Jupyter Notebooks work. We're going to dive into a lot more details on Python and Jupyter Notebooks. If you're interested in the Pandas API, you could go look at it over here. It's located on the Pandas website at pydata.org. So I'm going to go ahead and go back over here and we'll go ahead and put that reference in there. APIs at pandas.pydata.org, pandas.doc. Okay, so that's a brief look at how Jupyter Notebooks work. And you'll notice I got a little asterisk here saying, hey, I haven't updated it. So I could just do run, and now it's back to it executed fine, and it's good. Um, okay, so our next program will dive deeper into using Python and Jupyter Notebooks. Thanks for watching this video.